Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Samsung Galaxy M15. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using the side buttons on the right side. So this is very important to do that first. Now, you cannot change this call volume in the settings or in the phone app. When you open it up in the phone app, you will have the media volume, and to change the call volume itself, you need to be in an active call in order to change it. Next, what you guys want to do is disable your Bluetooth, because it's very important to stop rerouting your sound to any other device. So we want to rule out those connected devices, go to connections and tap the Bluetooth off. Now the Bluetooth is disabled. And next, what we're going to do is we have an earpiece right up top here. We want to clean it with a soft brush. For an example, it's very important to clean it, because if you don't, then what can simply happen is your sound will be either muffled or you will have no sound at all. So make sure to clean that out. Next, what you guys want to do is test with another call or the app. So if you use the phone app, you can try calling somebody right here. Then you will simply click on call, but I do not have a SIM card here. So you will try and call up somebody here, or use a different app like WhatsApp, Instagram, or basically anything that supports the call system. Next, what you guys want to do is simply go over and press the power button, the volume down button at the same time, and keep on holding it until you see this menu. Tap restart, tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is go over into the settings. Now in those settings, you guys want to scroll a bit down until you guys see general management, and here tap reset. Here we're going to reset the mobile network settings. So these are the settings for our network, and basically this should help us get sound back. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.